Navigating the waters of college can be difficult, especially if you're a first-generation college student. Often, first-generation students are categorized simply as those who were the first in their family to attend college. This often leads to questions about the college experiences of extended family members, older siblings, and even non-family members who have important roles in our students' lives. First-generation students are the first ones in their immediate family to navigate the admissions process, financial aid, college-level coursework, and the social dynamics of college life. Having a support network that has first-hand experience navigating these processes and expectations is an important part of assisting first-generation college students to be successful in their college endeavors. This is why we invite you to take the dive with us and join our First Wave program. We're excited to get to know you and learn what we can do to help you with your college journey. See how MACC can help you at macc.edu.